Moving from a highly carbon intensive energy production to a greener energy production. We don't want to see a situation where companies who are already millionaires and billionaires get the contracts for the green transition. If we say we want to eradicate poverty and we want to create jobs, especially for young people, and we want to restore people's dignity, so that people can live life of dignity. Open up opportunities for local people to produce their own energy, and where the entire community can share in the profits of that production. Now, communities won't have the capital to advance, but they must be subsidized by the government, because how else will we get rid of unemployment? Often conversations happen with chiefs or male leaders from communities, and then the women's voices that should be central in these conversations are not there. And say, for instance, there's a move from coal and there were women in coal, and they move to green energy, then they must be re-skilled. So the money must be set aside for skilling people and then also for mentoring and support.